Hi everyone, I'm here to do some more Heggerty exercises with you. Today we're going to start with rhyming words, thinking of words that belong in the app word family. So words that belong in the app word family are going to end with app. Words like map or nap. Pause the video here and see how many words you can think of that belong in the app word family. All right. Okay, now we're going to do our beginning sounds. Yesterday, we did words that begin with an ah sound. So I say the word, you say the word, and then we say it together, really putting an emphasis on the ah at the beginning. Add, add. Good. Ask, ask. Afternoon, afternoon. Almost like you're falling, like afternoon. Axe, axe. Act, act. Alligator, alligator. Animal, animal. And absent, absent. Good job. All right, get your choppers ready. We're gonna blend our open voweled words that we practiced yesterday. So beginning sound and then open vowel sound. S, E, C, M, I, my, T, O, toe, L, A, lay, M, E, me, A, pay, N, E, knee, L, I, lie, D, O, dough, W, A, way. Good work. Let's get ready to roller coaster our words. The first word is gag, ag. So just as a reminder, I should have said this before we started, you are mirroring me. So I'm roller coastering this way and you are roller coastering from your left to your right. So if you need help from a grown-up figuring that out, we want you roller coastering from your left to your right. So you're looking in a mirror, so when you're copying me. The next word is fan. And the next word is lack. Lack. The next word is bad. Bad. The next word is jab. Jab. The next word is ram. Ram. The next word is hat. At. The word is cap. App. The word is nag. Nag. And the last word is man. Man. Good job. Okay, chopper's ready. I'm going to say a word. You repeat the word and then you chop the beginning sound and the open vowel sound. Here we go. Oh, well, it's not an open vowel sound. Let's see. We're just segmenting phonemes. Sorry about that. Sorry for any confusion. So you chop the beginning sound and the second phoneme. Here we go. The word is you. You. He. E. Toe. T. O. J. j, a. Zoo, z, oo. My, I. Do, d, oo. We, w, e. Low, l, o. Bay, b, a. Good work. Okay, get your fists ready. We're going to do some phoneme substitution. The word is see. Change s to n. Knee. The word is go. Change g to l. Low. The word is he. Change h to m. Me. The word is lie. Change l to s. Sigh. The word is day. Change d to m. May. The word is you. Change y to d. Do. The word is be. Change b to h. He. The word is high. Change h to t. Tie. The word is may. Change to p. Pay. Good work. All right, we're going to add beginning sounds. So get your hand ready. So this is the hand you're holding out, and we're going to add a beginning sound. The sound is I. Add to the beginning. My. The sound is O. Add t to the beginning. Toe. The sound is oo. Add d to the beginning. Do. The sound is e. Add to the beginning. Me. The sound is a. Add s to the beginning. Say. Good work. Now we're going to delete phonemes. So the word is pup. Without p, the word is up. The word is tear. Without t, the word is ear. The word is fit. Without f, the word is it. The word is take. Without t, the word is ache. The word is bend. Without b, the word is end. The word is sit. Without s, the word is it. The word is far. Without f, the word is are. The word is that. Without v, the word is at. The word is joke. Without j, the word is oak. The word is hall. Without h, the word is all. Nice job today. Don't forget to practice your poem and your work with your Elkonin boxes.